Interdental brushes from Hanu Dent, a better way to clean interdental spaces. What are interdental brushes? Interdental brushes are nothing but soft bottle brushes for cleaning your teeth, especially food trapped between large interdental spaces or while undergoing orthodontic treatment. So why do we use interdental brushes? If the interdental spaces are a little wide, or if you are undergoing orthodontic treatment, it makes sense to clean your teeth using interdental brushes other than just floss or brush. Toothpicks are an outdated or even dangerous way to clean the spaces between teeth because these are often made of wood and can get stuck as splinters inside gums. Also, floss and toothpick are single use. So let's compare interdental brushes with floss and toothpicks. Interdental brushes can be used very easily. They are not technique specific like floss. Interdental brushes are made of soft silicone and do not damage gums or teeth, whereas floss and toothpick can easily cut into gums, causing injuries. Interdental brushes can be used many times. Floss and toothpick are not repeatedly used, they are meant for single use only. Interdental brushes are the best cleaning tools for those using braces, whereas floss and toothpicks are not effective in cleaning spaces in the case of braces. Interdental brushes can be carried in pockets or wallets. They are very small in size, but floss and toothpicks are not small enough to be carried in pockets or wallets. Now let's see how Hanu Dent interdental brushes are the best interdental brushes in the market. Hanu Dent interdental brushes are made of soft silicone and they can be easily washed and reused. They also do not hurt your gums or the teeth enamel. They are very easy to use and are not technique specific. They are also very cheap and reliable than top brands available in the market. Excited? So by now you would want to know how to use Hanu Dent interdental brushes. Let's watch this video to see how. See how to use an Hanu Dent interdental brush to clean between orthodontic braces and your teeth. Take out a Hanu Dent interdental brush and position the brush head in such a manner as to make it easy to clean between the braces and the teeth. Insert the brush head in between the metal bracket and the teeth spaces where food can get stuck and move the brush head in gentle up and down motions to dislodge food trapped between the teeth and the metal. You can repeat the action for your lower teeth as well. Hanu Dent interdental brushes come in a pack of 12, making it one of the most economical interdental brushes in the market, with superior quality and reliability than top brands. Buy a Hanu Dent interdental brush set today. For more details, reach out to us at hanumateagenciestvm@gmail.com or call or WhatsApp 89431 09396. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.